Torrential Slide in a real sense is a mid-position digital money at present evaluated at $12.98 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $4,490,446,084, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Over the very past especially couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Torrential Slide, laid out an essentially solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex. A few institutional financial backers in any event, in every practical sense, consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy. Retail financial backers and dealers truly are somewhat keen on digital currencies, for example, Avax, in light of the fact that this is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources have the truly potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a generally brief time frame, or so they generally thought. These profits really are truly unreachable in every practical sense, different business sectors, which is the justification for why most especially moderate financial backers by and large are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Torrential Slide. While the groundbreaking ones truly give a critical piece of their sort of cash flow to this quickly creating resource class, this especially is clearly a savvy approach since the worldwide economy sort of is in a condition of extremely durable emergency, while the conventional business sectors are adapting to the desire of extremely high and mighties, or so they generally thought. The traditional stores of significant worth government-issued types of money like United States dollars, or truly valuable metals like gold can't, for the most part, be depended on any longer. A great deal more and more individuals especially are turning their eyes to digital currencies, and really broad and Avax specifically, which truly is very huge. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Torrential Slide to the level at $12.98, where it right now sits, which for the most part is very huge. As currently referenced, Avax generally is a mid-position cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 20th spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the metric that in a real not set in stone, by duplicating the essentially current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, or so they fundamentally thought. On account of Torrential Slide, the market capitalization truly remains at $4,490,446,084. The significance of this boundary will for the most part be made sense of later, which essentially is genuinely huge. Our cost forecast calculation by and large is planned so that it ceaselessly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the advanced resource, being referred to essentially furnish our supporters with the most reliable data on the present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to enough evaluate the condition of their portfolio and for the most part conclude whether it needs to especially be reconfigured, which truly is genuinely critical. Our calculation additionally really focuses on verifiable information, which in every practical sense is somewhat essential for the all things considered right assessment of both certainly current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its especially present and future course. Beneath you will find key portions of this verifiable information, so you also could generally have a comprehension of where the Torrential Slide market in a real sense is going. Recently, on July 30th, Avax sort of was esteemed at $13.25 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Certainly recollect that digital forms of money are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period, explicitly added up to 3.00% in an especially significant manner. 7 days prior, on July 24th, Torrential Slide in a real sense was exchanged at $13.56 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in every way that really matters, near its truly present position. On July 1st, which was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Avax at $13.02, the cost level that certainly is at the distance of 0.30% from where it presently stands. The cost of Avax And the readings of CVIX by and large are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations. Market capitalization is another significant pretty metric that assists traders with especially deciding the prevalence of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in an unpretentious manner. It is likewise used to for the most part evaluate the offer that torrential slide especially holds inside the exceptionally whole digital currency market. Or so they really thought. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization really is fairly straightforward. The circling supply of the money being referred to especially is duplicated by its most certainly current cost in a sort of significant manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Avax generally remains at $4,490,446,084, enough to name it the 20th in a real sense, the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market. Recently, on July 30th, the market capitalization of torrential slide in a real sense remained at $4,583,760,799, as opposed to mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on July 24th, the capitalization of Avax was $4,690,740,1063 in an unpretentious manner. A month prior, on July 1st, how much truly capital streaming around this sort of specific market explicitly added up to $4,494,468,395 in an unpretentious manner. Most digital currency financial backers explicitly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with and in every practical sense, certain cryptographic money, and its capacity to, all things considered, endure disturbances which are the truly normal event on this profoundly unstable market. It's kind of obvious that the in every way that really matters. Previously mentioned market capitalization of torrential slide permits to generally characterize it as the mid-cap digital currency that has a place in the OK gathering in an unpretentious way. Since we in every practical sense have previously referenced the recipe for working out the market capitalization, it would basically be proper to commit a piece of this report to the stockpile of Avax in a significant manner in a real sense. For fundamentally your data, there really are three kinds of supply for basically every digital currency. The in every way that really matters, greatest stock, and that implies the quantity of coins that would be created on a kind of specific blockchain all through its presence. The all-out supply, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered starting from the commencement of the task, the circling supply which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use. All in all, that most certainly are overall effectively exchanged on trade stages. The in every practical sense, most extreme stockpile of torrential slide in a real sense is 720,000,000 Avax. The truly complete inventory of Avax as of now remains at 432,757,417 coins, or so they truly thought. The circling supply of the cryptographic money under survey most certainly is 346,037,967 Avax, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. This torrential slide cost forecast wouldn't basically be extremely finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry.